I'm back. Alright, today's video is gonna be about how I do my videos. I get this question asked a lot. People always ask me, what you edit your video on, how you do your video, how you go about the process of doing a YouTube video. So this video is gonna explain everything and what I use, everything dealing with that. So first off, I shoot all my videos on my iPhone 7. What I do my videos on, but edit wise, I use iMovie. And if you don't got iPhone, I recommend Kinemaster. All the names gonna be in the description of everything I mentioned in this video. So yeah, iMovie. If you have iPhone, that's what I use. And if you got Android, I recommend Kinemaster. Second up, thumbnails. It's something I use called SuperimposeX Neo. That's what I've been using, but today I bought the little $4.99, that's $5.34 with tax. I bought the SuperimposeX, the whole app. It helps you. I use that with thumbnails. It helps you like cut yourself out and place it on anything you want to, like the main thumbnails the big YouTube be using. It happy look like them or even better. SuperimposeX Neo is not bad. I've been using it up to today. I just bought the other one because I had a little money. I'm gonna see if it's better than the free version they got. But yeah, if you want to do your thumbnail, use SuperimposeX Neo. And if you want to spend a little bread, a little $5 and get the full app, get SuperimposeX. That's gonna be in the description too. What else I use? Okay. YouTube Studio. I just use that to upload my video. Hold on, do I use to upload my video? I upload my video on YouTube, but I use YouTube Studio to maintain my likes, comments, and the other stuff. I also use it to put the thumbnail on my video, and I use it to put stuff in the description and do all my titles and stuff. I use YouTube Studio for all that. TubeBuddy. Yeah, the next thing TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy I use like to look at the progress of my videos, and sometimes I use it to help me out with I just started using it recently to help me out with the tags in my video, with the tag and things like that, cause tags is important. Tags is basically when you put it in a search bar, it's supposed to show up your video or whatever. So tags are very important in what you're tagging now. I just thought about something. I also use YouTube Studio to put the category of the video, whether it's entertainment, people and blogs, news and politics, HowTo, all that. They got all the categories on there for you to pick, because category is good too, so you can know so YouTube can know where to list your video at, whether it's entertainment, for people and blogs, and stuff like that. Say for instance, Smash the Pass would be entertainment. People and blogs would be like an update on your channel or something like that. What else I use? I think that's about it. That's all I use. And if you starting YouTube and don't got a camera, your phone will be okay. Cause most main YouTubers right now still use their phone. Most of them have like an iPhone X or something like that, or either they have that they have a 7, cause I think you can pick what resolution you want to upload the video to. I always pick like I say 1080p, something like that. But I think they done changed a little something, I don't know. But yeah, It's all for the video. I'm gonna have all of them in the description. I'm gonna have iMovie, TubeBuddy, SuperimposeX, YouTube Studio. I'm gonna have all them names in the description so y'all can download it. And Kinemaster too if you don't have an iPhone. So that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe. We up. Y'all saw my last video, got like 160, 170 something in like a week. That's up. That's a lot of views based on my last video because I wasn't already getting it. But now we up. I also got my social media in the description. Follow my TikTok. We up. We going up. Just hit 11K on the video yesterday. So yeah, that's all for today. Y'all watch this video if you want to know how I do y'all YouTube videos. And I'm out. Wow.